Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Yesterday we discussed about the Aramana Dukkha. What to Dukkha, Aramana Dukkha? Yeah, what to related to the base. Related to the base. There are 27 divisions of the 2-4 division of Rupakkhanda. So here we have Jakku Samphasaja Vatu, na Jakku Samphasaja na Vatu. So that's Samphasaja and so. So the related to the Vatu, related to the base, there are 35 kinds of Rupa. 35. They related to object also, there are 35. The object aramana here. Jakku Samphasaja aramana, na aramana, and so. So related to aramana, there are also 35 division of the 2-4 matter. Then Jakhayarana related to Ayarana, yeah. Related to Ayarana, there are 2 kinds of matters. So let's see here, Ayarana. So the translation, we have to go back, we have to refer to the translation of Dhammasangani. If we Banga, there will be no translation. If we Banga Pali translation, there will be no translation for these things. Yeah, Ati Rupa, Rupa Yarana, na Rupa Yarana. Rupa Yarana, na Rupa Yarana. Ati Rupa, Rupa Yarana. Rupa Yarana, the place of the I consciousness. Ayarana means the cause or the place. Ayarana here Rupa, the Rupa Yarana. Rupa here referred to the seer conscious, the seer. You see, Ayarana, the base of the seer. Base of the seer. So you have Rupayarana, not Rupayarana. So 2-4 division here. The matter which is Rupayarana, the matter which is not Rupayarana. Or the matter where the Jada arises. The matter where the Jada here referred to the seer consciousness. The matter where seer consciousness arises. What do you have here? So you have Rupayarana here.
Jakku.
Rupayarana. Oh, sorry, no, here. Jakhayarana. So here. Sorry. No Rupayarana. Jakhayarana. The base where the I consciousness arises. The base where I consciousness arises. What do you have here? You have Jakhayarana. Yes. Ati Rupa na Jakhayarana. The remaining matters are not Jakhayarana. So 2-4 division here. Jakhayarana, na Jakhayarana. This Sodayarana, you have Sodayarana. So Sodayarana, Sodapasara, the same. Sodayarana. We can say here Sodapasada. Jakupasada is the rest. Sodapasada is the rest. A Ghana, you have Soda Yarana, Ghana Yarana. So the pay here, Ghana Yarana, Jiva Yarana, Kaya Yarana. 5 ayarana. These 5 ayaranas are the cause of the respected vinyana, respected 5 vinyanas. These 5 ayaranas. So you have 5 divisions here. 2-fold division of 5 kinds here. You have Kaya Yarana. Then you have the Chak Rupa Yarana, the matter which is Rupa Yarana, not Rupa Yarana. Rupa Yarana, the matter, you have only what? Rupa Yarana, you have only Rupa Ramana. Here you have Rupa Ramana. So not Rupa Yarana, you have the rest. Then Saddha Yarana, you have Saddha Ramana. Then the not Saddha Ramana, you have the rest. Ganda Yarana, you have Ganda Yarana. Sorry, Ganda Ramana. The not Ganda Yarana, the rest. Jiva Yarana, yeah, you have Jiva Yarana, the rest. Ekai Puttapa Yarana, yeah, Puttapa Yarana here instead of Kaya Yarana, yeah, Puttapa Yarana, referring to the 3 matters, Puttapa Yarana. So yeah, Puttapa Yarana, Puttapa Ramana. Then, not Puttapa Yarana, you have the rest. Altogether, you have only 10 here. Related to Ayarana, the 2-fold division of matter classified into 10. You see 2-fold classified into 10 here, only 10. So Jakayarana, not Jakayarana. So 1 pair, or the warfare. Sodayarana, not Sodayarana. Ganayarana, not Ganayarana. Jiwayarana, not Jiwayarana. Kayayarana, not Kayayarana. 5 pairs. They Rupayarana, not Rupayarana. Sadayarana, not Sadayarana. Gandayarana, not Gandayarana. Rasayarana, not Rasayarana. Puttapayarana, not Puttapayarana. So altogether, we have 10, the 2-fold division of the Rupa Khanda. Then we have Dhatu. Yeah, right here. Dhatu. The Ayarana Dukkha. We say Ayarana Dukkha. The best diet. The Dhatu Dukkha, there are 10 Dhatu Dukkha. Element diet. 10 Dhatu Dukkha. So let's see the 10 Dhatu Dukkha. Rupa Dhatu, not Rupa Dhatu. So that's simple. Rupa Dhatu, the matter that has the nature of seeing. Rupa Dhatu that has the nature of seeing. You have Chakupasara. Now Rupa Dhatu here referring to Chakupasara. Rupa Dhatu, Chakupasara, not Rupa Dhatu, the rest of the matters. There's Saddha Dhatu, not Saddha Dhatu. Ganda Dhatu, not Ganda Dhatu. Jiva Dhatu, not Jiva. Ganda, sorry, here. Jiva Dhatu, not Jiva Dhatu. Jiva Kaya, the Kaya Dhatu, not Kaya Dhatu. So 5 division, 5 classification or 2-4 division there. The Rupa Dhatu, not Rupa Dhatu. You have Rupa Ramana here. Rupa Dhatu, Rupa Ramana, not Rupa Dhatu, the rest. Saddha Dhatu, Saddha Ramana, not Saddha Dhatu, the rest. Ganda Dhatu, Ganda Ramana, not Ganda Dhatu, the rest. Rasa Dhatu, Rasa Ramana, the not Rasa Dhatu, the rest. A Puttapa Dhatu, Puttapa Ramana, not Puttapa Dhatu, the rest. So according to the element diet, the 2-fold division of the matters are classified into 10. Classified to 10. Then, according with the Bhakkhalati also, the 2-fold division of matter are classified. So let's see here. So there will be 8. 8 the 8 classification of two-fold matters, two-fold division of the matters. The Ati Rupa Jakundariya, not Jakundariya. So Jakundariya, you have Jakupasara. So there is matter. There is matter which is Jakundariya. There is matter which is not Jakundariya. So Jakundariya, you have Jakupasara. Not Jakundariya, you have the remaining matters. The Sotendriya, Ganendriya, Jivandriya, Kayendriya, 5 Indriyas here. 5 pasada is 5 pasada. The Ati Rupa, 8 Indriya, Ati Rupa, not 8 Indriya. So 8 Indriya Rupa, you have 80 Bhava Rupa, 80 Bhava. Not 8 Indriya, the remaining. The Ati Rupa, Purisendriya, Ati Rupa, not Purisendriya. According to faculties here, the matters are classified by way of two-fold division here. Purisendriya. Then you have Jivandriya. Altogether you have 8 here. Jakundriya, Sotendriya, Ganendriya, Jivandriya, Kayendriya. 8 Indriya, Purisendriya, and Jivandriya. So according to 8 faculties, the matter also are classified into 8 by two-fold division. You have 8 here. Then related to Vinyati, no Vinyati pro here. Sukuma Rupa we say. Sukuma Rupa. Sukuma Rupa here, all right. Yeah, Sukuma Rupa Dukkha diet 12. Subtle matter diet. Sukuma Rupa. So you have only 12 Sukuma Rupa there because you do not have Jivita. So let's see what are the 12 Sukuma Rupa. So Ati Rupa, Kaya Vinyati, Ati Rupa, not Kaya Vinyati. Kaya Vinyati matters and not Kaya Vinyati matters. So you have only Kaya Vinyati, only one matter. The rest are not Kaya Vinyati, not Kaya Vinyati. The Ati Rupa Vachi Vinyati, Ati Rupa not Vachi Vinyati. So Vachi Vinyati Rupa, not Vachi Vinyati Rupa. The reality is simple, you know. Then Agasa Dhatu. Abhidhamata Sangha, the order of the matters there, Agasa Dhatu come first. So Kablikara Ahara, you know, Kablikara Ahara also one of the Sukuma Rupa, but it comes first to the others. But in the Pali, in the canonical text, you will see Kablikara Ahara as the last matters is found there. So Abhidhamata Sangha is not the last, the 80th one. But the Abhidhamma, in the Pali, Kablikara Ahara is always placed as the last. Here, Agasa Dhatu comes the third here, Agasa Dhatu. Agasa Dhatu, not Agasa Dhatu. So Agasa Dhatu, you have Parichita Rupa, and not Agasa Dhatu, the rest. The Abodhatu here, Abodhatu comes here as the fourth. Abodhatu is included as Sukuma Rupa. So among the 4 dhatu, only Abodhatu is subtle. So it's not easy to observe Abodhatu. But the Mahasi Sayadaw, in his Abhidhamma books, Mahasi Sayadaw, he said we need to know the cause of Abodhatu. The cause of Abodhatu is the other 3 dhatu, he said. So proximate cause. We have to observe, we have to approach proximate cause. If we approach proximate cause, we can observe the Abodhatu easily, he said. So Abodhatu. So Abodhatu is one of the Sukuma Rupa. It is hard to observe its characteristic. So Abodhatu. Then Rupasa Lahuta, Rupasa na Lahuta, one Rupasa Lahuta. This is not real Rupa. This is not real Rupa. Anipana Rupa. So Rupasa Muduta, na Muduta. So Rupasa Kamanyata, na Kamanyata. Rupasa Upajiyo. Rupasa na Upajiyo. Upajya na Upajya. The Rupasa Sandidi, na Sandidi. Jarada na Jarada. Anejada na Anejada. There's the last one. Ati Rupa Kaplikaro Aharo. Ati Rupa na Kaplikaro Aharo. In the Abhidhamma text, you will always see Kaplikara Ahara is found as the last matter. Abhidhamma, the Pali books. So altogether you have 12 Sukuma Rupa here. We say 60 Sukuma Rupa. Why we have only 12 here? So Etendriya, Purisendriya is not taken here in this classification. Etendriya, Purisendriya, even though they are Sukuma Rupa, they are included in the faculties. So they are taken as faculties. The Jivudendriya, 3 matters there, you know. Etendriya, Purisendriya, Jivudendriya. We do not have habits in the Abhidhamma text, canonical text. There is no Haryavatu. So we have only 50 Sukuma Rupa. Out of 50 Sukuma Rupa, here only 12 are classified in the case of twofold division. Only 12 are taken here. The Etibhava, Purisabhava, and Jivudendriya. These 3 are not taken as Sukuma Rupa, they are taken as Indriya Rupa. But they are included as Sukuma Rupa effects, but where they are classified according to twofold division, they are classified under the faculties. They are not classified under the Sukuma Rupa. But understood, those 3 are always Sukuma Rupa, even though as they are faculties, they are classified under faculties group. So here, Sukuma Rupa, Dukkha. So the subtle matter dyes is subtle matter dyes. There are only 12 Sukuma Rupas are classified. So here, that's all. All together, we have to sum up all together. So how many 3/4 division of the Rupa here? Sorry. How many? Can you count? Can you count? Ati Rupa Upada, Ati Rupa no Upada, to stop from there. So Pakenaka Dukkha is the beginning. We call Pakenaka Dukkha. The first one, Pakenaka Dukkha. Pakenaka Dukkha. Miscellaneous diet. Miscellaneous. How to write miscellaneous? Miscellaneous diets. Huh? How to pronounce? How to spell?
Yes,
Miscellaneous.
M-I-S-C-E-L-L. C-E-L-L.
M-I-S-L-I, is it?
M-I-S-C-E-L-L.
C-E-L-L. Miscellaneous. A.
Yes.
N-I-O-U-S.
And E-O-U-S.
N-E-O-U-S. This one. Miscellaneous diet, Pakenaka Dukkha. There are 12. 40, sorry, 40. 40 miscellaneous diet. Pakenaka Dukkha, 40. these 14 mentioned in this in the Vibhanga. Then what to dukkha, they are not mentioned in Vibhanga, they are mentioned in Dhammasangani 25. Aramana dukkha also 25, not mentioned in Vibhanga because it has been described in Dhammasangani. The Ayarana dukkha 10 also has been described in Dhammasangani. Dhatu dukkha also 10, they are also has been described in the Dhammasangani. Indriya dukkha 8 also has been mentioned in Dhammasangani. Sukhama dukkha only one mention here. In this Vibhanga, only 50, only 50 the twofold division, only 50 classification according to twofold division mentioned. So altogether, how many you have here? You have altogether
104, Sayadaw.
104, yes. So the 104 matters are classification according to twofold division. Yeah. So let's go back to Vibhanga. 3-4 division, we go to 3-4 division. Ividena Rupa Khando, material quality, 3-4 division. 3-4 division. Ividena Rupa Khando. Yanta Rupa Ajatika Ta Upada. What is Ajatika Rupa? There is Upadana, Upada. So Yanta Rupa Ajatika Ta Upada. So Ajatika Rupa, Upada Rupa. It must be Ajatika as well as Upada. So Ajatika and Upada. How many Ajatika Rupas are there? How many Ajatika Rupas are there? According to Abhidhamma. Yeah, only 5 Ajatika Rupa. 5 pasada. Those 5 pasadas are called Ajatika Rupa in Abhidhamma. But in Sutanda, all the matters can be Ajatika Rupa. But in Abhidhamma method, only 5 matters are called Ajatika Rupa. So Ajatika Rupa, there is Upada. So Upada, direct, they are also direct matter. The Ajatika Rupa, what is direct matter? So how many matters Ajatika Rupas which is derived? How many?
All of them 5, Sayadaw.
Only 5, yes. So Upada, it must be Ajatika and also Upada. So you have only 5 there. So you have 5 matters. So this is not finished yet. Here, Ajatika Upada, the Bahira Upada we have here. Because with 3-4 division here, Ajatika Upada, Bahira Upada, and Na Upada. So this classification, yeah, according to 3-4 division, matters is classification according to 3-4 division. Ajatika Upada, Bahira Upada, No Upada. So Ajatika Upada, you have 5 matters, Pasara Rupa. Then Bahira Upada. How many Bahira Upada matters there?
Is it like 18, Sayadaw?
The remaining all. The remaining all Upadana Rupa. Upadana Rupa, we have how many altogether? 18 Upadana Rupa or 70 Upadana Rupa without Haryawatu.
Yes.
So according to, huh?
Yes, Sayadaw.
According to
Upada.
that, here, the Bahira Upadana should be how many? Out of 50. Out of 70, sorry, out of 70. You have only 12 Bahira Upada Rupa, is it?
So Sayadaw, here, how many Rupa do we count totally, Sayadaw? Is it 27?
27.
Right? Yes,
27.
27. 27 minus 4, so we have 23 Upada. 23 means we minus 5, so we
not
have
4, minus 5. 5 pasada.
Mahabhuta. No,
not
so we
Mahabhuta
have-
here, Upada.
yes.
Rupa.
We have 28. We have 27 altogether, right? So we subtract
yes.
4 Mahabhuta.
35.
So we have, yes. So we have 23, and then we subtract
yes.
5 Pasada. So we have 18.
So according to the Pali, we have not 80, only 12, is it?
18.
Not 12.
18, not 19.
No Haryavatu.
Yes.
Haryavatu, we include Haryavatu in the Upada Rupa. We had 24 Upada Rupa, sorry, 24 Upada Rupa.
Yes. So we subtract 1, so we have 23.
23, yes, 23.
23, we subtract 5 Pasada, so we have 18.
5 Pasada, we have
18.
18, yes, 80 Upada Rupa here. Because 3 matter composed from 1. So we have 18 Upada, Bahira Upada Rupa, not Upadana. So you have to be careful with the word. Upada, Upadana. Here, Upada, direct matter. Ajatika Upada, Bahira Upada. They are not no Upada. So the matter which is not derived, how many matters you have here?
That's
no
4.
Upada. Only 4 Mahabhuta. That's correct. So here, the threefold division of the matters. There, Yata Rupa, Ajatika Ta Upadena, Ajatika Upadena. Upadena, Kama Bon mattered, grasped by Tana entity. That is Upadena. Kama Bon matters, which is grasped by the Tana entity. So it must be Ajatika and Upadena as well. How many matters should be there? Ajatika Upadena. It must be Ajatika as well as Upadena. Those Ajatika matter must be caused by the karma which is grasped by craving around you. How many matter it should be?
Produced by karma. Produced by karma.
5 pasada, yes. 5 pasadas are karma bone matter.
Yes.
They are also Ajatika. So you have to count here 5 pasada. Yata Rupa Ajatika Ta Upadena. You have 5 pasada only. The Yata Rupa Bahirata Ati Upadena. Ati Anupadena.
We still have other rupas, right?
Which one?
5 Pasada.
5 pasada here. 5 pasada are Ajatika. Huh?
Yeah, but then we also have the other Ajatika Rupa, which is also Kamacha Rupa.
Now here in Abhidhamma, where we say Ajatika Rupa, we refer to only 5 pasada. A Sudada method, you see the Sudada Vajaniya method.
Right. Yes.
So all the matters can be Ajatika, all the matter can be Bahira there.
Yeah.
But in the Abhidhamma method, where we say Ajatika Rupa, we refer to only 5 pasada.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. So Ajatika Upadena, we have only 5. The Bahira Upadena, Bahira na Upadena. So Bahira Upadena, how to say here? Bahira. Yes, yeah, the second part, you know, Yata Rupa Bahira Ta'ati Upadena, Ta'ati Anupadena. So in the case of Ajatika Rupa, Yata Rupa Ajatika Ta Upadena. Because Ajatika Rupa is always Upadena. See, Ajatika Rupa is always Upadena, not Anupadena. That's why for Ajatika Rupa, only one the kinds is classified. But when we come to Bahira, Yada Rupa Bahira Ta Ati Upadena, Ati Anupadena. Here Ati Anupadena related to Bahira Rupa. So the Bahira Rupa, which is caused by the karma, they are grasped by creepy around you. So Bahira Rupa. What do you have Bahira Rupa?
So we have the remaining 22, but then we have to find the Kamacha Rupa in the remaining 22.
So Kamacha Rupa, Bahira Kamacha Rupa, we have to take Bahira Kamacha Rupa.
Yeah.
Bahira Upadena. So Kamacha Rupa, if we say Kamacha Rupa 80 or 70, 80, let's say 80 here. 80 Kamacha Rupa, out of 80, 5 belongs to Ajadika and 30 belong to Bahira.
Yes.
So Bahira Kamacha Rupa we can say, or we have to call Bahira Kamacha Rupa. Because Upadena, when we say Upadena, we refer to Kamacha Rupa. Kamacha Rupa here classified into two. Ajadika Kamacha Rupa, Bahira Kamacha Rupa. The Bahira again classified into two. Upadena Bahira, Anupadena Bahira. Upadena Bahira, there are many 30. Anupadena Bahira. What are the Anupadena Bahira? There is no Bahira of the Ajadika. There is no the Ajadika Bahira. Ajadika always the no.
Ajadika always Upadena.
Yes. There is no Ajadika Anupadena. Ajadika is always Upadena. So Bahira here, Bahira can be Upadena, Anupadena. So Bahira, Anupadena, where are those? The Bahira is Anupadena. The extra matter as well as no comma bone matter. So what do you have? You have Jedija, Uruja, Aharaja. Is it? Jedija are not Upadena, the no Uruja, no Aharaja. They are not also included in Ajadika matters. So you have here Bahira, Yanda Rupa Bahira, Tan Anupadena. For that we have Jedija, Uruja, and the Aharaja Rupa.
Well, so but then does that mean that we have to count it according to the causes, or we have to count it according to the 27, the classification into 27 rupas?
Let's say 28 here.
Okay, let's 28. Then does that mean that we
yes.
have to, so because we know that in the Utuja or Aharaja or Jitaja, we have
Yes.
the Aniwipoga in there. So do we have to count them as well?
Yes, we have to count all kinds of matter there. Collectively, we say 28 matters, but the Jedija, Uruja, Aharaja. So the Jedija, Uruja, Aharaja, there is no the Paipasara, you know. So those Jedija, Uruja, Aharajas are always Bahira. So we call all the matters that are produced by those conditions.
Okay.
So the report division here.
So does that mean that so in the 28 rupas, then we just subtract the 5 pasada and then the 2 bhavas and the jivitendriya and then the harajawatu. So we have to subtract 9, right? So does that mean that the anupadena in this case, we have 28 minus 9, we have 19.
28 minus 9. No, we don't extract those 3. They are not Ajadika Rupa, they are Bahira.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
Right. So,
yes, we had to extract those, yes. So because they are not included in the 3 matters. Is it? They are not Jedija, Uruja, Aharaja. They are just Kamaja. So we have to leave Kamaja Rupa, yes.
Yes, so we just leave those
yes.
what is that, the 9
Bahira Kamaja.
Yes, No, we have to leave the 9 upadena rupa.
9 upadena rupa.
Exclusively, the 5 pasada, the 2 bhava, the jivitendriya and the hadaya. What to?
About eti bhava purisa bhava. We
Yes,
need
so
to
2 bhava. So
yes,
5
2
plus
bhava.
2, and then jivitendriya.
Jivitendriya.
Yeah, so 9. We have to subtract 9.
Yes, yes.
So 28 subtracts 9, so we have 19.
I said those 90 also caused by other 3 conditions. 90
Yes,
matters, 90 external matters caused by Jeta Udu Ahara. We have to say like that.
Yes, but here we're talking about the anupadena, right, Sajano?
Anupadena Bahira.
Upadena bahira.
Upadena Bahira, Anupadena Bahira here. Bahira, the connected with both here, Upadena, Anupadena Bahira here.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Because Bahira can be Upadena, some Upadena, some Anupadena. So we need to call the here Bahira Anupadena only, not Bahira Upadena.
Okay.
Yeah. So because for in the case of Ajatika Rupa, in Ajatika Rupa we have no Anupadena. That's why it is classified only one way. But in the case of Bahira, it can be both Upadena, Anupadena. That's why Upadena here classified it to Bahira classified it to Bahira Upadena, Bahira Anupadena.
Right. So and then here I think the problem is for example like the 4 Mahabhuta, right? The 4 Mahabhuta are Bahira.
Yes.
And then so how do we count them? Are they belong to the Upadena or Anupadena?
Here, if we say Bahira Upadena, we have to include those Mahabhuta as Upadena. What we call Bahira Anupadena, we do not take the Kamaja Mahabhuta, we take other Chetija Mahabhuta, Uduja Mahabhuta, Aharaja Mahabhuta.
Got it. Yes. Okay.
So Yada Rupa Achatika Tan Upadenu Padaniya, Yada Rupa Bahira Tan Ati Upadenu Padaniya, Ati Anupadenu Padaniya. So the Ajatika Rupa, which is the object of Upadana, Ajatika Rupa and also the object of Upadana. So how many matter can be there? There must be Ajata Rupa. There must be also the object of Upadana.
It means we have 5 pasada.
Yes, only 5 Kamaja Pasada. So 5 Pasada produced by Kama. So only those 5. Then the second one, the Bahira Tan Ati Upadenu Padaniya, Tan Ati Anupadenu Padaniya. So the Bahira matter, Bahira Upadenu Padaniya. Upadena Upadaniya. Bahira, which is Kamaja Rupa and the object of Upadana. So Upadena, we say the Kamaja Rupa. Kamaja, Bahira Kamaja Rupa, we say, yeah, Bahira Upadena. The Upadaniya, that is also the object of Upadana. So what do you have? The Kamaja Bahira, which is the object of Upadana. Actually, you see, all the matters are the object of Upadana.
Yeah.
But here, Kamaja Bahira, the object Upadana. Here, you have to know here, all the matters are the object Upadana. You have to think about here only Bahira Upadana. Bahira Upadana, the same, you see, Bahira Ati Upadana. Yeah, the same thing, the same before. Bahira Upadana. So we don't need to think about upadaniya because everything is upadaniya here. Upadaniya, yes, here. Upadena upadaniya, here anupadena upadaniya. So the reality is the same before. Bahira kamacha, bahira not kamacha. The meaning is the same. Only the time here upadaniya, the upadaniya is started here. So bahira upadena, bahira anupadena. That's all. The same before. You see? So the last one here, bahira anupadena upadaniya. That means bahira anupadena because all are upadaniya. So we have to take the same letter bahira anupadena here. So the bahira anupadena, that is the chitija uruja ahara. Bahira anupadena, bahira matters which are not produced by the karma, or bahira matter, external matter, which are produced by karma cheta ahara, cheta udu ahara. So here pay here. So pay, we need to go back there because this this Paganaka Tika, there are 30 kinds of Paganaka Tika. This is called Paganaka, miscellaneous diet. There are altogether 13, but here it is mentioned only 3. So we have to go back to the Rupa Ganda. Tika here. Tika 3 here. Yadarupa Ajadika Ta Upada, Yadarupa Bahira, Ta Ati Upada, Ati no Upada, the same thing. Yadarupa Ajadika, because the Masangani also, you see, the classifying about the Rupa. Here, Rupa Khanda, according to Abhidhamma method, it also classifying about the Rupa. That's why the teaching is the same, no different. Yadarupa Ajadika, Ta Upadena, Yadarupa Bahira, Ta Ati Upadena, Ati Anupadena. The same thing. The Yadarupa Ajadika, Ta Upadenu Padaniya, Yadarupa Bahira, Ta Ati Upadenu Padaniya, Ati Anupadenu Padaniya. Only 3 mentioned the Vibhanga. So in the Masagani, we have more here. Yeah, Yadarupa Ajadika, Ta Anidasana, Yadarupa Bahira, Ta Ati Sanidasana, Ati Anidasana. Ajadika Rupa, always Anidasana, you know. Ajadika, Yadarupa Ajadika, Ta Anidasana. Ajadika Rupa, which is not visible. So what do we have? Ajadika Rupa, which is not visible. How many?
4, Sayadaw.
4.
It's 5. Oh,
You
5.
sure?
5.
You sure?
5.
5 Prasada.
All of them, yes.
Yes. All of them
No,
are
I was
Anidasana.
thinking Anidasana. It's like cannot see. I was thinking about except the Jaku.
Jaku Sona Gana Jiva Kaya Pasara. These pasaras are not visible. So you have 5 here. So Ajadika Ta Anidasana. Ajadika Rupa Bahira. Oh, sorry, Yada Rupa Bahira. Ati Anidasana. Sanidasana. Ati Anidasana. So Bahira, you have Bahira 20. How many? Bahira Meta? 23. Let's say 23 because we had 28 Rupa. Out of 23 Bahira Rupa. So there is visible matter. There is not visible matter. How many visible matter? Bahira visible matter? You have only 1 Rupa.
1.
There are many. How many?
22.
22. The remaining 22s are Bahira Anidasana. The Yada Rupa Ajadika Ta Sabadika with impeachment. So Ajadika Sabdika. So Ajadika Sabdika, you have Jaku Soda Gana Jiva Kaya. So out of 5, how many Sabdika Rupas are there? Sabdika Rupa out of 5.
Sampatika.
Sabrika.
Just one.
What? Ajadika Sabrika.
None. Sajado.
What is that?
There's 0, right?
Huh?
Because these are the 5 pasada. 5 pasada.
Yeah, 5
is
pasada.
not-
Ajadika Rupas are 5 pasada.
Yes, so they are
Whether
not.
they are Sabrika or Abdika.
I think they are apatika, right? Apatika.
Sabrika or Abdika.
So
Sabrika,
next,
all Arika the same. Abdika, Sukuma the same.
yes, Sapadika we have 12, right?
Yes, 12 Sabrika.
So that means
How about Ajadika Rupa? Are they Sabrika or Abdika?
The one Jakupasada.
so they among the Sapadika, there are 5 are the Ejadika, right? 5 pasada are Ejadika.
Yes. So Ajadika, Sabrika matter how many can be?
No, only 5 lah.
Of course. So you have to think about Ajadika Rupa. Then you have to classify whether it is Sabrika or Abdika. So you need to keep 5 Pasada Rupa, Ajadika Rupa. Then you need to the classify whether it is Sabrika. Yes, here Sabrika, Ajadika, Sabrika, we have only 5. Then Yada Rupa, Bahira, Tan, Ati Sabrika, Ati Abdika. Bahira Rupa, the remaining is Bahira Rupa. Out of Bahira Rupa, some belong to Sabrika, some belong to Abdika. So out of 12, you have taken 5 already. So 7 remaining. The 7 out of 7, how many out of these 7? Yes. The 7 are Bahira, Sabrika, we say. So 5 are Ajadika Sabrika. The remaining 7 are Bahira Sabrika. The Bahira Abdika, all the remaining are Abdika. Sukma Rupa. Bahira Abdika referred to Sukma Rupa. Is it? So Bahira Abdika, you have Sukma Rupa. Bahira Sabrika, you have 7 matters. Or you have 5 objects. Gochara Rupa, 7 Gochara Rupa, you know. 7, you have Rupa, Sada, Gada, Rasa, or the Rasa Podaba. 5 the object, 5 objects, there are 7 Rupas composed there. The last object, Podaba, composed of 3 matters. Altogether, you have 7 matters. Those 7 matters is called Bahira Sabrika. The Bahira Abdika referred to Sukma Rupa. Sukma Rupa are not touchable, are not with attachment, Sukma Rupa. They are always Bahira, Sukma Rupa. Then we have Ajadika Indriya. There must be Ajadika Rupa. There must also be Indriya Rupa. How many you have?
5. Sajado.
Yes, only those 5. Jaku Soda Ganachuka Kaya, they belongs to faculties, Indriya. They also belong to Ajadika. They are Ajadika, they also belongs to Indriya. That's why you have Ajadika Indriya, you have only those 5. The Yanda Rupa Bahira, Bahira Rupa. Indriya Bahira Rupa and Indriya Bahira Rupa. Indriya Bahira Rupa, how many do you have?
Indriya
three?
Rupa 8 lah.
Yes,
8?
out of 8, 5 belong to Ajadika.
Yeah, so 3.
3 belong
Yeah.
So
to
there's 3.
Bahira. So the remaining are Bahira and Indriya. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have Yanda Rupa Ajadika Tan Na Mahabuddha. Ajatika, which is not included in Mahabhuta, which is not Mahabhuta. How many?
5. Sayadaw.
Only 5. Yes. Yadarupa Bahira. Tan Ati Mahabhuta, Ati na Mahabhuta. Bahira matters. You see, out of 5, all remains are Bahira. Madi Bahira, some are Mahabhuta, some are not Mahabhuta. So that's clear. So 4 belong to Mahabhuta, the remaining not belong to Mahabhuta. The Yadarupa Ajatika, Tana Vinyati, Ajatika. Ajatika, which is not Vinyati, how many?
Not Vinyati, so 5.
It was 5, right? Sarah?
Yes, yes. Yes, those 5. The Yadarupa Bahira, Tan Ati Unyadi, Ati na Unyadi. Out of Bahira matters, 2 are Unyadi. The remaining are not Unyadi. That's simple. Then Yadarupa Ajadika, Tana Chitta Samuthana, Chitta Samuthana Rupa. Chitta Samuthana Rupa, Chitta Sahabu, not the same. The same or not the same?
I remember yesterday you said the same, no?
The same?
You said yesterday. Yesterday you said the same.
Samuthana.
Samthana
Samuthana.
post wa.
Chitta
Chitta
Samuthana.
Sabu.
So here is the 5.
So Chitta Samuthana, Chitta Sahabu not the same as there. Chitta Sahabu, Chitta Numbriwati, these two are the same. Chitta Sahabu, the matter, the arise together with the Chitta. Chitta Numbriwati, the matter, the matter that follows the Chitta. So refer to 2 Vinyati. Chitta Sahabu, Chitta Numbriwati. But Chitta Samuthana, not the same. Chitta Samuthana, the matter which is produced by the Chitta. So here, Ajatika matter is also produced by the Chittas. Not produced. Not produced by the Chittas. Not Chittas Samuthana. So how many you have?
It's 5.
Ajatika matters which is not also produced by the Chittas. How many?
5.
5.
Only 5. Yadarupa Bahira Tan Ati Chitta Samuthana. Sorry.
By the way, where do we get these ultimate realities?
No,
Is
we
there
have
a
to know
place
by
for us
ourselves.
to get them?
No, the Atthakatha did not say the realities, but it is understood because we know what is Ajatika Rupa, what is Chitta Samuthana Rupa. Ajatika Rupas are always Kamaja Rupa, so they will never be Chitta Samuthana. That's why we can call it is understood, Ajatika, not Chitta Samuthana.
Yes, but then like in the Nisaya, are they mentioned?
Nisaya, I don't know Nisaya.
No, because sometimes we might make mistakes. So
there is no mistake here.
No,
mistake.
I mean when we count the realities, we might make mistakes.
But it is mentioned in the Myanmar translation. The Abhidhamma Vibe Pali do Myanmar Pian. We have we have there.
Okay.
Only the books and the translation book in English not mentioned. The translation book. Okay, let me check. We have this book, Dhammasangani. So let me check. Rupa Kanda 35 Dukkha. 35 Dukkha. Only translation here, not the realities. There is internet dependent corporeality. There is external dependent corporealities. There is external. The translation you see very simple. Like here we have Yandarupa Ajadigata Upada. You translate here. There is internet dependent corporealities. Internet dependent corporeality. Here external dependent corporeality. And the external non-dependent corporealities, you translate like that. But for here, Ajadika na Jeta Samotana.
So,
Ajadika.
what about, do we have Ayaka for the Dhammasangani, Sayadaw?
No, we don't have. We do not have.
Yeah, okay.
We do not have. But we can say Ayaka is the we Pali of Myamapian. They also mention Ayaka at the same time. So in the English, the translation, they do not mention Ayaka. But in Myanmar translation, they mention Ayaka, a bracket. So if I'm not sure, I also go to the Ayaka. Not Myanmar translation. Myanmar translation. But this one simple. You see? Ajadika, not Chitasmotana, you have only those 5. This Bahira, Auto Bahira, Chitasmotana. Bahira, Sama, Chitasmotana. So you just choose the matter, the external matter, which is the caused by the Chetas. External matter, which is caused by the Chetas. You have Chitija Rupa. All Chitija Rupas are external matters. You know? The Atina Chetas Motana. For that, we have Uduja and Aharaja. A Kamaja also there. Some of the Kamaja. Bahira Kamaja, the Chitija are the Uduja and Aharaja. Because all Uduja Aharajas are Bahira Rupa. So we need to take Bahira, the Chitija, Uduja Aharaja and some of the Kamaja Rupa, which is external.
Yeah, Sayadaw. So here, so right now we're reading Dhammasangani, right, Sayadaw?
Yes, Dhammasangani.
Yes. So this is like the very first part of the Dhammasangani about Rupa. This is like the Matika, right, Sayadaw?
Yes.
And then so if because this is like the first part of the Rupa, then how do we know which one is Chittaja Rupa when we just read Dhammasangani?
Dhammasangani Chittaja Rupa.
Right? Because for example, this is like the Buddha preaching this for the first time. And then in the translation,
yes.
if there is no Varamatha Dhamma, then how do we know? Where should we go and find
here,
out?
Yes.
You know?
The explanation later, the explanation later come. Explanation. The Bhajaniya, or where we say Upada Bhajaniya, the Kame Rupa Vipatti Bhajaniya. So the exposition of the matter. So the second part will mention the exposition of the matter. There you see what is Upadana Rupa, what is the matter there explained. So we can know that. What is Upadana Rupa? What is Anupadana Rupa? All are mentioned there. Yeah? All are mentioned. After this, you see, there will be one chapter which is Bhajaniya. Bhajaniya means exposition, explanation of the Rupa. What is Sabdika Rupa? What is Abdika Rupa? What is Mahabuddha? What is Namahuda? All will be mentioned later.
Yes, okay, thank you.
So you can go and give you the paragraph number also. So you can go there. We are not going to study those here. The paragraph number 595. Paragraph number 595. Dhamma Sangani. So you can start from there. The Prabhupada fire to fire. Oh, a lot. So the whole pro there, or the whole the Prabhupada 5 to 984. Paragraph number Prabhupada 5 to 984. Pro there until the end of the Rupa Ganda, Rupa
I
chapter.
see. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Sayadaw.
So it mentioned clearly, what kind of matter is upada, what kind of matter is not upada, what kind of matter is upadena, what kind of matter is anupadena, what kind of matter is ajadika, what kind of matter is bahira, and so all are mentioned there. So please read those things. Then you will be clear with these things. Okay. So and there is over 8 already. We better stop here.
Yes.
So we
thank
continue
you.
tomorrow. Okay, let's start the class by say Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu,
Sadhu,
sadhu.
sadhu.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Sylvia.
you so
Okay,
much,
take
Sayadaw.
care of yourself for tomorrow.
Yes, thank
Thank
I
you.
you.
want to
God
see
bless
you
you.
tomorrow morning again.
Yes, thank you.
My-
See you
also, I will take-
tomorrow, Saturday.
Myself also, I will take care of myself to see you tomorrow morning.
Yes, Sayadaw.
Okay.